Vodka? What? Who's here? Who's drinking my vodka? What's this? Oh my God! Yeah, police? Yeah, hi. I'd like to report some, really weird stuff happening at my place. I was asleep, and I came out into my living room, and my bottle of vodka, and my, daughter's children's tape was playing, and it was playing very loudly, and it was disturbing my sleep, and anyway, no one's here except me, and I don't know why it was all on. That classifies as weird stuff, doesn't it? I mean, what? Well, you could send out somebody, right? Because, you know, this is very weird stuff, and I'm very scared, alright? I'm very scared, and I don't know what's gonna happen. The TV was on. I didn't turn it on. Who turned it on? Ghosts? It's not the answer I'm looking for, sir. You're supposed to be serving me. So serve some service. That's right. Oh my God! What is this? The celery. Well, I got plans for you.